I am Meeta Dash. I am a VP of Product at Figure 8, an app and company. I lead a team of product managers and designers. What we build is a training data platform for AI products. So we work with customers who build AI and machine learning products, and we solve their problem around building and deploying machine learning products at scale. Product management is a great field to be in. As long as you're really passionate about solving customer problems, you're excited about new technology, and you're really interested to solve business problems. This is a great place to be in, and every day you'll be getting new challenges, and every day you'll be solving someone's problems. So I think you can make big impact in your career and for the company if you're in product management. Generally, I start my morning with checking my emails, checking my messages to see what is what are the urgent things that needs my attention. I have a number of meetings, so I want to make sure that I'm prepped for those meetings. I just start my day with looking at some of the product metrics and where the product is heading. So I kind of make some of the key decisions on that day. So looking at the data, looking at what my meetings are for, what are the urgent things that needs my attention, that's the way that I can kind of start planning the day. There is nothing like a typical day for me. On any day you can find me working on a more long-term strategic planning, doing a more like product roadmap session. I could be working with some of our key stakeholders, working on a communication plan with them. I could be working with marketing to figure out a launch plan for the product. So it's like it depends on the day, but generally I structure my day into something where I can focus both on long-term planning as well as more day-to-day and tactical execution, so things can move in the right direction. The challenging part as a PM is you are bombarded with a lot of requests. So I get feature requests from customers, from our internal stakeholders. There are production bugs that come our way every day. There are executive priorities that you encounter. Then sales team come up with requests like feature requests that can close a deal. And many times it's like this last feature that can close this deal, can you just commit to this feature? So it's all about how do you navigate this noise and build something that is valuable for the customer and for their business. I was pulled into a customer escalation, and what the customer was looking for is they were expanding their use case and using our platform for something new, and we realized that we don't have that feature available in the platform. So I ran a quick huddle with our customer success manager to understand the pain point, and what we realized is we do have that feature in the roadmap and we do have a prototype, but it's not really ready for prime time. So I ended up having a discovery call with the customer and kind of deep dive into their requirements, and I demoed the prototype to them. And at the end, we realized that what we have in the prototype is something that they really need. It kind of meets their needs right now, and they are willing to work with us to evolve this prototype into something more viable. So I worked with machine learning and our engineering team. Now they are in the process of just hardening the prototype and make it really POC ready. So this will be the first customer that they will run the POC with, and eventually I'm also lining up a few other alpha customers who can start using this feature. So at the end it was a win-win for both the customer and for us. As a product manager, day in and out, I make decisions on what to create and why to create that feature. And that's why I think having customer empathy really goes a long way, because you need to really understand the pain point of a customer, and that's when you can solve their problems. And I'm a big believer of the notion that don't design features, but really try to solve the problem. And then as a PM, I think it's really important that you should have deep passion for your product, and you should have a strong product vision, because at the end you have to align the resources and the org and the customers around your vision. And that's how you can keep delivering new things and achieve more successful product. And finally, we need someone who can fail faster and learn faster, someone who is not afraid to fail, because you have to iteratively build a product, and you cannot build a grand vision from the get-go. So keep building, keep the vision in mind, the long-term vision, but iterate it over the time and keep delivering and show quick wins on the way. And that's how you can build more trust both internally and externally.